What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do another mid-fade today. This one's going to be a little bit more better. I have better quality. I've been lagging on the videos lately, not going to lie. But I haven't been real motivated to do it, but here I am again. Back at it. I've been cutting hair still, but just, I don't know. Here we go, though. First things first, I'm going to be putting in my first guideline. Again, I think I'm only doing halfway around the head. I'm not going to do a full head. Making sure I get everything, clear it all out. You don't want to leave anything behind. You want to get everything as close to skin as possible. So once you come under that with your skinning machine, which whatever you use, makes it a lot easier to blend in. Just a better transition. Fixing the little paper so I can get the back of the neck a little bit better. At the end of the video, I'll also take that off, and there'll be little hairs left. But make sure you get all of that. You want to get everything from there. Brushing all the hair off, making sure you get everything off. I'm using my I don't know what these are called. I think they're Philips Norelcos. There you go. Yeah, man, these save so much time. Those 3-head shavers, man, they save a lot of time. I really suggest you get somebody, whoever is watching this, to get these Norelcos or better ones. These ones were about $112, but they work really quick and they get the job done really fast. Make sure you get everything kind of, it doesn't make any lines. That's what I like about them. It gets straight to the point. And I see little spots that can be a little bit lightened up with the trimmer. Just barely touch those little areas. You should get everything. Now I have my my no guard open, making about an inch of a space of a guideline. Making sure all the hair is even. You want all the hair to be even. You don't want to leave any dark hair in there. You want to get everything as even as possible. And flick out at the top as much as possible. Make sure it's all even. You see how I go back there? Now I'm putting it halfways. Now I'm back open again. Just cleaning it up. Now halfways. Now you just want to stay under that line. You stay under that line, and you don't go up to the top line, because you're going to create another line, and you leave it halfways open. That's going to soften up the bottom line to take out. It should come out very easily. There it is right there. Now it's closed. Softens it up with that half. Now it's closed, like I said. See how that line's coming out fairly easy. It might not come out completely easy, but if you don't, you can always go back another step. But as the look of it, it's coming out real good. Make sure you get behind the ear. You don't want to leave nothing behind. A little line there, so what I did is I go behind it back with the last step, and then you go back with it closed completely, or half don't close it, close it all the way. There you go. That'll take straight out. I've been kind of lagging it, man, but I gotta get back into it. Here we are, though. You know what I mean? No matter where you go, just as long as you keep going. About 3 weeks out, but hey, I'm doing it. Now I have my one guard open. One guard open all the way. And then just make like again, make it all even. Even all the hairs out. You want to go with the grain, so whatever, like you see the front of his hair kind of going to a side on the left side. It's pressing left a little bit. So you go with the grain. And you continue going. Like I said, you got to clean up everything. You want it to be all the same length in that length of space right there. You want it all to be it's about an inch of a guideline. Close it, and you go right under it. What it's going to do is it's going to soften up that bottom line again. So when you come under it, that line will come out fairly easy. Fairly easy, it should come out. Just brush all the hair down. Make sure you get it all nice and brushed. I'm gonna come in with my my half guard closed. There you go. See, half guard closed. It should take out that bottom line fairly easy. Shouldn't have no problems with that. Just flick out. Put it halfway because you see a little line, and it should open that up for you. It should make it a lot easier to take out. Yeah. Just continue on the other side. Halfways, takes out that dark line that's right there. Should come out pretty easily. Just tap at it. Just want to tap at it. Go over it a little bit, and it'll come out. Same thing. I'm just going over it with that half guard closed. I'm going back just for a little bit of detailing. Guess the line wasn't coming out, so go with it open, which is my last step that's right before your half guard closed. Now I'm gonna come in. Oh, just detail work. Detailing it. I'm the type I can't move forward if I see any lines, so I gotta go back and make sure I have everything all crispy, looking nice before I start my next step. So I have it open, my two guard open. This is where it gets easy right here. Just flick out. You don't want to press in. You just flick out with going into that line right there. Remember, you want to look at where the white blade is, and that's where you're cutting with. You flick out looking at that white blade. You might have a silver blade, but that's the blade you want to look at when you cut. See how nice that's coming out? Man, super clean. Continue that on the other side. I go behind the camera. I don't like to go in front of it, so that's why it looks like I take a little long time, but it's all working out. Same thing. Detail that, make it a smooth transition as much as possible. We're closed. It might lighten up just a little bit. Now I'm just going over his head. I forget what he wanted on top. I want to say it was a two open. Yeah, so 2 open. Going over it. Usually I like to start with that because I feel like I can get a better transition in the blend. But yeah, sometimes I don't know. In this video, I kind of was doing things a little backwards with that part. Usually I start with that. Next video though. Next video. See, now I see the detail work. So now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get that transition to look a little bit more smoother. And it comes out a lot better right now here a little bit. I'll fix it up some. There we go. See my one open. This helps out a lot. I like to barely touch it and just barely put any pressure on there because I'll use that as a 1.5. I don't have the 1.5, so I use that, which works out perfectly for me. The bends come out real nice. But it's just, you have to have a light hand on that part with the head because you don't want to go too far. So it came out pretty decent. I'm going to do a lineup right here. My trimmers. Slimline Pros. Man, these are my favorite trimmers my brother got me from my birthday. About 2 years ago now. They still hit, man. Those are my detail trimmers right there. There we go. Don't want to go too high. And that's it, guys. I didn't go too much into detail with the lineup, but you get the point. And as I keep going, I'll get better and better and better. So, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow, whatever you want to say on this YouTube. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to help people get better. Thanks for watching. Bring you more videos soon. Later.